Hello children. So we are meeting after a very long time, long gap you can say, like long gap. So once again we'll start for the final course. Now stepping towards the final course, we'll be doing lesson number 8, that is reporting. Reporting, right? Now what is reporting? Right. Now you must be thinking that once again ma'am has started with all the grammar work again. No children, this is not a grammar work, but you should be knowing that how we speak and how we convey the message from one person to another person. Right. Now reporting means when person speaks, there are two ways of reporting what he or she has said, right? What he or she has said. Now, once again, you must have studied in your junior classes and even today also, like you must have studied, your language teacher must have taught you about direct speech and indirect speech. So, direct and indirect speech are reporting speech, right? So, what I am saying, it is delivered to the person. So, there are ways to convey the speeches, what the person has said to another person. Like if I am speaking directly, so if I am speaking directly, that means like I am speaking now. Now this is a present tense, right? So it is in the inverted comma. Whatever I am saying, it will be in the inverted comma, right? Like I said, I am saying good morning children. So good morning children will be in the inverted comma. The teacher said. Who said? The teacher said. The teacher said will be written in a plain simple language, but what I am saying will be in the inverted comma. That is said that direct speech. And indirect speech is what? When the second person is telling to the third person what I said. You can say the teacher said that good morning students. Now it is in a plain line, a simple flowing line. There will be no comma, but only we have to pay attention towards that the sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Right. So reporting speech is generally in a direct and indirect speech. I'm not going to teach you language with all the rules and the regulations. I hope your language teacher must have taught you all. But you should have a general idea that when we are speaking, when we are quoting a person's same word, it is a direct speech, right? And when the person is like saying in is not quoting the word, but it is like the person is transferring, like telling the other person, conveying, you can say, conveying the other person what I said. So it will be this thing used with the conjunction, and sometimes we don't use the conjunction, right? Now children, you are going to open to page number 73 in your book, and you see the picture. We'll do what it is, we'll read whatever it is written over here. Like like over here it is written, a student recently attended an interview for sections or in a student's NASA team. Listen to her talking to a friend about the interview. Now, the first, she is sitting in a spaceship, and this is her another friend who is sitting on the staircase, right? So they can match together equally and read. Wait a minute. हमने गलत किया. Now let's see what this boy says to his friends. What questions were you asked at the interview? So the girl says that the expert wanted to know if I had ever heard of NASA. That's strange, the girl replied. Strange still was the next question. Now the boy is saying, oh, what was that? The girl says that they wondered if my sister was studying. Right. Now, what is there to connect with the sister over here that the NASA people are asking her? So, well, I wonder what they think about India. What else did they want to know? The girl said, then they asked me where I studied. So the NASA people asked her where she was studying. Now these all are in a dialogue form. So when we are going to write on a paper, so how we are going to write in a inverted comma, right? Next is well, that was easy. What else did they ask? The girl said they wanted to know if I had heard the kind of work that was going at NASA. Another question was whether I wanted to become a space scientist. Didn't they ask any difficult questions? Well, the one they asked me was about stars was pretty tough. What did they ask? The boy asked. Right. They wanted to know if I knew about the Milky Way. What is the Milky Way? And if I knew what it is made up of. Come on. You could have answered that. We have discussed that many times. Then the girl said, true, but I got confused. I started wondering if they had asked about the pole star or the evening star instead of thinking of the Milky Way. Now the girl over here, when she was asked about the Milky Way, now when she was a bit confused, and she said, if I answer, then they'll be asking about the pole star and about the pole star, or the evening star, about it. So she was a bit confused instead of focusing on the word Milky Way. Never mind. When will you get to hear the result? Well, I asked the teacher about the interview. She said she did not know. Of course, So these are the two children. They are discussing about the interview. When they went to the NASA place. Now, since we have read, now let's come to this another page. Over here it is written, which strange question did the interviewers asked? Now, which was the strange question? Was it about the question about her father? Were they discussing about the father's job? No, they were not discussing about the father's job. Were they discussing where her father worked? Were they discussing? No, they were not discussing. Then the question about whether her sister was studying. Yes, she was asked about this question. She was where her sister was studying. The question about her foreign visit. Was she asked about this? No. So among the four, which is the right answer? About her sister. So we will take it over here. Next is, how did the student's friend react when she heard the strange question? So the options are, he wondered how funny they were. He laughed loud. He wondered whether they thought what they thought about India, or he was angry. No, what he did, he said over here, he said, come on, you know about the answer. So it is a what he wondered how funny they were. So we will take the first one. Right. Now next is you do have a this thing CD, please hear to it. And here they are discussing about how to use certain words. Like over here, I'll send you a picture of a new gadget I bought. Better still, the answer, the second person answer, better still, why don't you show it to me in the me on Skype? Next is Renu has won the prize for the short film that she has made. So the second person answers, similarly, her sister has won a prize for the logo she has made for a company. So here she is comparing. Next is in Singapore, you can find $100 of dropping litter. This thing you are fined for fined how much? $100 for dropping litter anywhere in the street. The second person answers, on top of that, we can even be imprisoned for a day. So in India, what happens, children, if you litter also, nobody finds you over here. Modi ji says don't spit and all, but still people are spitting when they see that the policeman is not watching us. They spit on the ground and make the place more dirty. But still in Singapore, they follow the rules. Now next is number 4. The new micro oven is very easy to operate. So the second person says, even better, it's got just one button to cook in different mode. I'll probably leave very early for airport when it is much cooler. Also, the roads won't be as busy then. So, like over here, they are they are using the words that are interconnecting, right? Which is giving an information about the sentence, right? I'm afraid I may not be able to have enough time for lunch. In that case, we could just meet for a cup of tea. So what we have learnt over here, we need to introduce a piece of information that is related to what has been said. We use expressions such as at the same time, better still, on top of that, in other words, similarly, even better, in that case, in the same way, also, otherwise. Right? So we can use these words. We can use these words to express our sentences. So most of these words of phrases are said with a rising and a falling tone. Now children, I have already spoken what is a rising tone and a falling tone. Rising tone when you are very excited and you want to express it in a happy mood, then we speak in a rising tone. Or you can also say that rising tone when you are very annoyed, then there is the volume of the voice is little bit high. Falling tone is that when you are depressed, sad, or your work is not done, then we slowly say it, no yaar, I never got the chance to go through go through the books. So in a repenting tone you are saying, right? Now next children, if you see to page number 76, there is a passage given where you have to listen to the passage which is said in the CD of yours, which is attached to your work in your English book. So the CD, like with where the passage has been read, is like this. Now you listen carefully, because according to like the way we are having ASL just now, it is like that. So listen to a text on J.K. Rowling and fill the missing information. Emmy Watson, who played Hermione in the film Harry Potter, was asked to be the guest editor of the magazine called Wonderland. She was asked to interview J.K. Rowling, the author of the of the Harry Potter. While interviewing, she asked Rowling whether it was wise to make Hermione marry Harry Potter's best friend. Who was Harry Potter's best friend? Ron Weasley. Actually, he got married to Harry Potter's best friend. So the the editor, like, he is asking the whether it was wise that he got Harry Potter got his friend Ron get married to Hermione. She is the only very good character which she has in Harry Potter. Now J.K. Rowling wonder if she had done it simply because she was clinging to the plot as she had first imagined it. When Watson wondered if this distance from writing had been Rowling another perception, Rowling went as far as saying that Hermione and Ron would have ended up needing relationship counseling. I'm sorry, I can hear the rage and fury it might cause some fans, but I want to be absolutely honest. The editor said. Now, Emmy Watson then asked if it was necessary to be always true to the original plot. Now, Rowling confessed that now in hindsight, she feels that Harry would have married Hermione and not Jimmy Wesley. Now, this is the passage which I have read. Now, record it is Now we'll see the fill in the blanks which is in your book, and we are going to fill it up. Right, children? As I have read the passage just now, children, now we'll see the blank which is given in page number 76. Now, J.K. Rowling was being interviewed by whom? Emmy Watson was played Hermione and was guest editing the magazine. Number 2, Harry Potter is the hero of all the Harry Potter serial, where his best friend Hermione gets married to who? His best friend also. Ron is also his best friend. Now Rowling thought Ron and Hermione should get married because that was her original plot as she had first imagined. Now next is later Rowling thought that it was not a good idea and went even as far as to say that they could have needed relationship counseling. Right. Next is number 5. Emmy Watson was guest editing the magazine called Wonderland. Rowling is aware that her opinion may cause a lot of rage and fury among her fans, and she wanted to be absolutely honest about her opinion. Now, Rowling thinks that in hindsight gave her the perception that this thing Harry would have married this thing Hermione. Right. Now you are going to write it in your textbook. Now children, if you see to your next page 77, there is again listen a few episodes and answer the question based on them and then take them. So the first one, I am reading the passage, right? A man asked an online portal why his order had been delivered a week after he had paid them. Later, his phone rang and a teenager said he checked and get back. He checked and get back to him. He said that he wouldn't get on his computer right then. Then why? Because his mother was vacuuming and that the room had only one socket. Right. Now over here in 77, now the question is given over here. What did the man check the Why did the man check the website? Why did he check the website? No, he checked the website. Why? Because to check why his order were not delivered. You are going to take the second one. Now let's see the second passage, what it says. Sita, there are two girls, Sita and Geeta. Now Sita is saying, what did they ask at the interview? Geeta replies, they asked what I was listening to these days. I told them I was listening to the podcast about election. Now Sita replies, what else did they ask? Now Geeta replies, they asked me if listening to the podcast about election was interesting. Geeta replied, that's so great about it. Anyway, did they understand what a podcast was? Now Sita is replying, that's so great about. What's so great about? Anyway, did they understand what a podcast was? Geeta is replying, it's interesting, and yes, they did understand. In fact, they wondered if I was old enough to understand things about election. Now let's see children, what is the question over here? Now the question is said, what was Geeta listening to? Now what was Geeta listening to? The options are new broadcast, election podcast. Yeah, she was listening to the news reporter. Yeah, election result. What she was listening, children? This B option, the election podcast. So you are going to take it over here, election podcast. Now let's see what does the third reading says. My friend was feeling homesick in the hostel. I told her to make space her own. She was not much of a decorator, but in order to make this place for her own, she needed things in it from her home. She asked if she had anything that she couldn't live without, and she said she had a wonderful soft toy. She asked her whether she would bring it from her home. She said she was wondering if she could keep her precious things also. Now let's see what does the second question for the third reading. What does it say? Was the student talking about what was the student talking about to his friend? Were they talking his friend's room? No. Personalizing his friend's room? Let's leave it over here. Things in his friend's room? Yeah, his friend's hobby. So among this, personalizing his friend's room. So take the second one. Now children, coming to page number 77 again. Now listen the question and choose the correct answer from the list of the possible answers given below. So the answers over here are the possible answers of these questions which is given in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see over here. Where are you from? He asked. So from here I have selected the right answer is he asked where I was from. Yeah, where I am from. Right. Next is, do you want to go and see Charminar? She asked. She asked if I wanted to go and see the Charminar. Now you see these. The first sentence which is written is in a direct form. Now, when you are going to answer, so answer, yeah, convey it to the third person, so it will be in the indirect form, right? Let's see number 3. Have I understood? Have I understood you correctly? She asked. Now she wondered if she had understood correctly. Full stop. Like how you can see how the question forms are turned to full stop. So when we are going to convert this direct speech to indirect reporting speech, then like the question mark should be removed and we can use instead of it either straightway, or we can use if, or we can use wonder and if, and there are more examples in the next page you can see. Like over here, would you like to go do some shopping in the old city? She asked. She wondered whether. Now again, I can use if, but if you are going to use the same word if, it will be monotonous. है ना? Boring to hear. So whether I would like to go do some shopping in the old city. Full stop. No question mark. So in direct speech, like there is a question mark, but in direct speech I have not. We will remove the question mark to a sentence. Now, do you know what Hyderabad is famous for? Question mark. She asked. She over here again. She asked if I knew what Hyderabad is famous for. Full stop. Right. We are not going to use a question mark because we have used if over here. Do you want to go shopping or eating out? She asked. She wondered. I wanted to go shopping or eating out. In this way, you sit and analyze this thing. You read calmly. You will see the differences, right? When a question mark has to be removed to indirect reporting speech, when we have to make, then how to make it? What are the words we can use? Now, next over here, underline underline the appropriate word from appropriate words and phrases given in the bold. These are the bold letters. In these conversation, the role play the conversation with a partner. Remember to use the correct tone. Now in this paragraph we are it has been taught what is the tone you are using. That is the high tone or a low tone. Right, rise tone or low tone, falling tone. So first one is, we had a great time in Sri Lanka. The first person is saying, the second person is saying excellent. By the way, how is Nanny after the sex? Now by the way, there are two words, by the way or similarly. So by the way is the correct word according to the change of sentence. So by the way, so these are the ways to change the topic from the conversation. By the way, like there's a lot that I need to tell you about the event. So I am sure you have anyway or in the same way. I better go now. So what are the what we can do over here? Which word we can use? Anyway. So I am sure you have. Anyway, I have to go now. Right. Next is I really finally I have finished all my work. So second option, so second person says that's great. Now when you want to change, which is the word you can use connected to this sentence? Geeta would have always finished her work. So similarly, Geeta would have this is the way tone that is to change this thing, your way of talking. Next is it is difficult driving on the snow in the hill. So worse still, it would have this thing slipped down the slope. So next is there's a nice movie in town. We could see it tonight. So what is the option we can use by the highlighted over here? Better still, we could have dinner and watch a movie. I am starving. Well, or this thing also there's some left over here. So I think well is the better word to interconnect with this sentence, right? So let's see what is written in the box. When you want to change the topic in a conversation or start talking about different aspect of the same topic, we use the words or phrases such as anyway, anyhow, by the way, instantly, now, okay, well, look, beside. These are generally said to be said with a falling tone and are usually treated as a speech unit, right? Speech unit, the way you are talking. Now in the page number 79, you are going to practice this with your own. Now the next is that speaking skill. Now this is very important. We always say children to speak, right? If you don't speak, if you don't make an effort, so it is no point, right? So no point of studying in an English medium school. Every parent has a desire that the children should study in their English medium school. So there are ways like how to talk. Suppose a topic is given about causes what causes flood. So these are the this thing you can interconnect the points like global warming. You can talk about loss of green cover on India on the earth and urbanization. So these are the topic you hunt it out and find out and try to speak speak on these topic for 2 to 3 minutes. Even yes, it will be very helpful if you do it on your own, because the essay which you all get is somewhat like this only, and if you take out of your you do it on your own, work on your own, you will be learning, right? Next topic is what? Why is obesity becoming more common among the school children? So these are the interlinked points which you can talk about it or you can write, right? Now next is if you speak see to page number 88. Again, this is how to speak fluently. We have done all the exercises up till now. Now with your co-partner, suppose this is you and this is your partner, you can talk. One is given to you, other will see that will you be coming to the exhibition on Sunday? Your friend is saying, now how you are going to answer? No, I'm sorry, I have a lot of work to catch up with. beside now you can give your excuses also. Beside the exhibition is for 2 months, therefore we still have time to visit. Right. Next one is there's a meeting meeting of literary society on Monday evening. Now your friend says, so you can make an excuse. Look, I won't be able to attend the meeting as I have to take my mother for checkup. So now rest 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do it on your own, and if you do it, you will be able to learn more. So your effort is very, very essential. Now children, you are going to do it on your own. These serial numbers. Now this is also a paragraph. You can go through it and read it, and there is a way that to learn how to improve your English by playway method. Like suppose if I say, if I am talking about, I give one word, right? How to increase the word. This helps to increase your vocabulary also. If I say butter, now butter goes with what? It is also made with, it has a protein, it has a fat, it is also like goes with bread. It also makes the food delicious. So any of the word you can say, you can add up. If I say butter, you can say bread, right? It is making a pair. If I say bread, if I say bread, now bread is, you can say with what correlate with, it is made out of what? It is made out of flour, right? Or you can say, you can make sandwich also. So whatever you get, so this is the way you are increasing your vocabulary also in the playway method. I hope you have understood, and you will be practicing what I have taught. Have a good day, children.